Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying what you have: device model, OS build, and the exact driver version. This matters because mismatched drivers cause errors. Once you know that, create a system restore point and back up critical drivers so you can roll back if needed. Then disconnect extra peripherals to remove variables and reproduce the problem reliably. Run Device Manager and note yellow warnings and error codes. These give precise troubleshooting pathways and tell you whether to update, reinstall, or roll back drivers. You should uninstall the problematic driver from Device Manager. Right-click, choose Uninstall, and check Remove Driver Software when prompted. Once removed, select Scan for hardware changes to let Windows redetect the device. If that fails, download the exact OEM driver, prefer WHQL-signed packages, and run the installer. If normal mode stalls, boot into safe mode and perform the install. Safe mode prevents interfering services from blocking driver writes. Make sure to reboot between attempts so driver store. After installation, reboot and verify the driver shows no warnings and the device functions. Then run Windows Update and any vendor utilities to fetch optional patches or firmware that fix compatibility. If instability continues, roll back to the previous driver version or restore the system point you made earlier. This reverses problematic changes cleanly. Troubleshooting tip: if the device still fails, check Event Viewer for driver-specific errors and note the error code. This code directs targeted searches and prevents repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.